So yesterday what we have done is, from our side actually we have seen what is a data type, and then what is a variable. Okay, that's what we have seen yesterday. So today we are going to see the installation part. So how to install Java, JDK, and then Eclipse, all those tools we are going to see. So I'll open that. The same file which I have given to you yesterday. So you have seen yesterday how a Java program will be executed. So today we'll see how to install the Java. So first, before you install Java, you have to confirm whether you have already a Java version or not. Because nowadays most of them will have the Java version installed, because right now some players, they need Java to be installed, then only the video or audio players will work. So that's why. So I'll just give Java space hyphen version. When I give this one, it will give me the version installed in my application. So in case if you have 1.7 or 1.8 less than that, okay, less than 1.7 or 1.8, you make sure that you reinstall the Java. So to reinstall Java, just go here and then type Java download. Okay, you can download Java, and then after that you can download JDK. Otherwise, directly if you download JDK, Java plus actually what JDK both will be downloaded, because Java development kit is what is a complete set. Okay, you can go and download the Java. Otherwise, if you want to download the JDK, okay, this also is a separate process. Install first Java, then after that actually what if you install JDK also available. First you can install Java, then the JDK. Okay. So I'll directly go to the JDK itself, JDK download. Now I'll go here to the first URL. Here you can see Java platform JDK. Okay, click on this. Here if you come down, you can see Java development kit 8U121. So make sure you take this one, not the demos. Okay, you should not take the demos and samples. Make sure you take the complete set. Accept license for agreement. Then after that, here you have two things, Windows x64 and x86. 86 represents for the 32-bit, and then 64 represents for the 64-bit here. Okay, that's the thing. So you need 64-bit if your machine is 64. How to confirm your system is 64-bit means just go to your My Computer, right click, properties. So if you go there, here you can see actually what is a 64-bit machine or 32-bit machine. That's it. Okay. So now I'll download this one, the exe file. When you download, you'll be getting an exe file. Just double click on it. Next, 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 and then the installation will be completed. Okay. So I already given you guys here with. This is for first to how to download the Java. Then the next one is for the JDK. So go to that URL. You can see this image, click on it, accept license agreement, and then select which one is yours, 32-bit or 64-bit. Then after that, just download the file and then click on run next, 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 and then the installation process will be done. Then after that, you can see if you come to your C drive, program files, here you can see Java. Okay. So if you go inside the Java, you can see a JRE and then the JDK. These two files will be installed. When you install Java alone, you will get this one. When you install JDK, you will get these two files. Okay. Now go inside the JDK folder. Then go to the bin folder and copy the path. Right click, copy. Okay, copy the path of it. So then next what you do, you go to your control panel. Okay, sorry, My Computer, right click, properties. Then click on advanced system settings. Then go to advanced tab, environment variables. Here you search for path. Then click on edit. Come to the end of it. Give a semicolon. Then paste the path. Okay, then you have to click on OK. I already have given. So I'm clicking on cancel. You guys have to paste the bin folder path here. Click on OK, OK, and then again OK. Now your JDK path is set. So once your JDK path is set, now what you do, close the old command prompt, open a new command prompt, and then just again give Java space -version. If it comes properly, your JDK also is installed successfully. Yes. What is the reason for pasting the bin folder path? So your Java environment, okay, when it wants to run, okay, some what is it? Some software related information is actually what you need actually what some related files of the Java. Those things are present under the JDK. Okay, so I need to give the system path for that. Okay, it's like a runtime and environment we have now. So like the same information only. JR is a runtime environment. Like the JDK also will have their own information. So if you see any software, okay, some softwares when you install it, for sure it will be saved in the path folder. So if you see, I'll just show you. Go to advanced system settings, environment variables. Here if you go to the path, edit. Can you see for most of the things it will be there. So if you see, I'll have for my Skype also, I'll just copy this. I'll have my notepad. See, this is my JDK, Java JDK path over there. Then after that, this is actually what for Apache one software installed for that. Then this is for the drivers over there. So zip file, that is Windows zip is then zip, WinRAR file, all those things. So for those things like that, zip file, and then MySQL, and then Node.js, Skype, for all those things actually what it needs a runtime environment for me. So that will be set over by this path here. That is, my system will know that actually what if you want to run these files, you can go and take from these places. That's what it will give for me. Clear? That answers your questions, Rama? Okay, cool. Sure. So next. Yeah, thank you. So now what we have done it, and then we know that actually what how to install the Java. So that same information, path variable setting information also I given here with screenshots. You can go through that, so that will give you an idea. Finally, the Java version. Okay, this is to install the Java. The next one, Eclipse. How to install the Eclipse? So Java code can be written in a notepad, otherwise in some other files. So usually commonly used things actually what we used to write in a that is some application. Okay, so that will be helpful for me to write it in a user-friendly manner. So in that Eclipse, NetBeans, like that we have different tools. Eclipse and NetBeans are the famous tools. So Eclipse is widely used because it's a so user-friendly application. That's why. So to install the Eclipse, so first you can just give, there are a lot of versions available right now in the market. So I can just give some project name. That is actually some version name is Kepler. So I'll just search with Eclipse Kepler download. So I'll give you Eclipse Kepler download. I'll just give. I'll get here, click on the first link. When you go to this link, you can see all the different releases you can see here. Right now, the Neon is the latest package. Okay. So Oxygen is what actually what? The before one. So Kepler was here. So Kepler is actually what I will feel actually it's a little bit user friendly. You guys can go for anything, whatever you like, but make sure you go a little bit actually what more than Juno or something. Okay, don't go for the old ones. Go for little bit later ones. Okay, in that you have to go for the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Okay, Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers here. Here you can see Windows, Mac, or Linux. So Linux is Ubuntu. So which one you want? So mine is actually what 64-bit. So click on that means the download will start. Okay. So once you click on the 64-bit, Here it will ask me, so that here you can just click on this download. That will start to download here. Then once you got downloaded, there is no installation process in Eclipse. You will be getting a RAR file like this, a zip file like this. You have to right click on the zip file, click on extract here. Then after that, you can see a folder called Eclipse here. Click on that. Then you can see this Eclipse icon here. That's it. Okay, it's just extracted, no installation process. When you double click on it, first you will get a small pop-up window. So this is the window. Getting? So in this window, first it will be asking me in workspace. You might be getting in the C drive to store the code files. So make sure you change it, because actually it's bad practice to store your code files in the C drive, because when you're going to format your system in any point of time, they will delete all the files in the C drive and then they reinstall newly. So your code files actually might be missed out. So make sure you browse and then change it to a different location. So I'll go to the D drive. The D drive, I'll just go to my others. Then I'll just create here and make a new folder here. So I'll give the folder name as 23 Jan batch Java core. Simply, I'm just giving any of the workspace. It's a workspace over there. That's what I'm giving. So if I go here, others. So here I created that. Okay. So then I'll click on OK. Now when I click on OK, so right now we don't have any information. See, when I click on OK, it will create me some temporary files here. Okay, so now first we will get this screen. Okay, then after that, I don't want this welcome screen. If you want, you can just see the tutorial samples on it. I don't want this, so I'll close this. So usually we have downloaded the EE Java IDE for EE. Okay, so this will be actually what for the developer usage over there. So I want to make it for, because I'm not going to use the complex code and all. So I don't want all these things. So I'm going to make it to my level. So first I'll be creating one project. So go to File, New. Then here you select Project. Then here you can see Java project. Otherwise, you can go to the Java folder. Then here select Java project. Okay, so then click on Next. Don't worry if I'm going fast. I'll be again giving you a recap so you will be understanding it properly. Hey guys, is my voice is not audible? I just want to know whether my voice is clear. Navanti, actually, for everyone, the voice is clear. Just check it once in your side. Thanks guys. Okay, I'll just come one more time. So I'll go to File, New, Project. Then here you select Java project. Otherwise, under the Java folder, you will select Java project here. Click on Next. So first I created the workspace. Now I'm creating a project. So I'll create the project name as first project. Okay, I gave the project name. Then use an execution environment. This one you have to select Java SE 1.7, CC, ECD, CDC, and then all those things are related to the developers. So mine is, I need a Java SE 1.7 or 1.8. Okay, I can select 1.7. Otherwise, I can go to the default one, which is 1.8 over here. So right now I'll go with 1.7. Then I'll click on Finish. So once I click on, see right now, here right now we have these two temporary files here. Once I click on OK, you can see it will create a project here. See, it has created the project. So this kind of project is associated with Java perspective. I like to change the view of it. Are you okay? So right now it's there in Java EE. Can you see? Now and then outline task list, like a lot of things are there. So now when I click on yes, the view will be little bit changed. See, now extra icon Java will come, and then little bit what's the notes which is needed for the Java alone will come. So I don't want these things. I'll click on close it. Okay, so I close everything. Okay, guys. So then now if I open that, you can see in the project, I'll have a source folder and then a JRE system library. So what is this JRE system library means? Okay, this will have all the jar files. So what is the jar files means? So I want to execute Java code in my system. Okay, so for that I'm using this Eclipse tool. Java internally needs actually what some code files for me to run it. So here what I'm doing, when I create the project by Eclipse, by default it goes and takes the needed files from it. Okay, that's the usage of the Eclipse here. When I create the project, it automatically goes and takes all the needed files for me. That's what it will do. Clear? So this is what we have in the Eclipse view. The same thing if I go to the original view, you can see my first project. Okay, see my first project here. If I go inside, I'll have settings, class path, project file, these files will be there. Along with that, we have source and bin. These two are the important files for us. We'll have a source folder and then a bin folder. If you go to the source, nothing is there. If I come to the bin folder, we don't have anything. Okay, so now I'll go inside the source folder. First, I created the project. So how the Eclipse works means, okay, so there will be a workspace. Under the workspace, so I will have a project. Under the project, I'll have a package. Under the package, I'll have a class. Okay, otherwise a Java file. Java file or a class file will have. This is how this Java works. Clear? Yeah, Shweta. I'll go slow. Yeah, sure. I'll go slow. So from my side, I created the workspace, then I created the project. Now I'm going to create a package and then the Java files or the class files I'm going to do it. So first I'll create the package here. So I'll come here. So to create the package, so what I will do, I'll right click on the source folder, go to new package. So here I'm going to give a package name. So package name, so I'll just give first pack, I'll just give. Okay, when I give like this, it's giving me discourage package name. By convention, package name, usually it should start with a lowercase letter. That is always my package name should be starting with a small letter. That's a standard practice. Okay, not mandatory one, standard practice. So make sure you start with the small letter. Then I'll click on finish. When I click on finish, under the source folder, I created the package. Now when I come over here, can you see under the source folder, it's created the first pack. The same thing, when I come to the bin folder, there also it has created this package. Okay. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so I have created the package here. So that's what I have done. The source folder, this is the first pack. And then the same thing in the bin folder also, it has created the first pack. That's what it has been done. Okay, so now what I did, I created the workspace before, I created the project, I created the package. Now I want to create the Java file or the class files here. So how to create that? So for that, right click on the package, new class. You have to click on the class. Now I'll just give the class name. So I'll give the class name as actually what? Java learning. Now again, type name is discouraged. By convention, Java type should start with the uppercase letter. Okay, always you should start with the uppercase letter. That's what it's giving me. So now what is the thing right now for me? I got this thing. So what is the information here means? So always class name should start with a capital letter. Package name should start with small letter. Class names always should start with actually what? Capital letter. Standard practice, not a mandatory one. Okay, standard practice. So I'll give this. Then I'll make sure I'll have it as actually what right now in default. And then I'll click on this public static void. This checkbox. Okay, I'm going to select this default and then the main function. Then I'll click on finish. So now I created the Java file. Okay, the Java learning, this one. So now this actually what? When I created this class file over there. So now if I come to the original folder location, under the source folder, if you see, under the first pack, can you see the Java file has been created? Right click, edit. Can you see? We got this one. Okay, the same thing, whatever we have written over here. So if you see, I'll just delete this one. I'll save it. Now we have this one. So I'll close this one and then I'll open this newly. Can you see? Now it's gone. So what is the changes I'm going to do in the Eclipse? That is going to save it in this original folder view only. That's what happened. Okay. See here, source folder will have the Java file and then the bin folder will have the class file. See, right click. I don't have the edit option here. When I try to open, I will cannot open. Windows cannot open this file. Okay, no one can open the file. Only the JVM is the only person who can open and then work on that. So that's what we have seen before. See, I told you guys about that Java execution. No? So from our side, what will happen? First, actually, what the Java file will be there, that will be compiled. Then after that, will create a class file here. Then after the JVM will have this class file for execution. So the same thing is what happening here. So we'll have the source folders will have the Java files, and then the bin folders will have the class files here. That's what. Okay. Now, if you see, now I'll increase the font size. Go to Window, Preferences. I'll type font here, colors and fonts, basic. If I come down, text font, click on edit. Then here I'll click on 14 as of now. I'll check it whether it's fine. Apply, yeah, it's fine. Click on OK. Okay, so now I have. So still now, okay, what we have done, we'll see a recap. Before that, I'll just try to print something. Yes, Y, yes, O. Okay, any information if you want to execute, it should be there inside the main function. So I type SYSO control space. We will get system.out.println. Then I'll give in double quotes, hello world. Then save it. Then right click, run as Java application. See, we have got hello world. Getting? So this is how we execute the program here. System.out.println hello world. Clear? Clear for everyone? Okay, so now I'll just give.
Murli, what did you do with the SYSO? How did you make it system out?
Yes, so for that you have to type. So I'll comment this. To comment in Java, it is double forward slash. So I need to type SYSO, then control plus space button. Okay, if I give that, it will get system.out.println. So if you see, SYSO control space. Getting? This is the shortcut to get the system.out.println. Okay, yeah, cool. So now next, so we got this. So right now I'll again just give a small recap as what are the things we have done. So first we created the workspace. So how we created the workspace? So I'll go to my D drive. So this is actually what I'll got the Eclipse here. Okay, we downloaded from that. Really. So what we did to get into this place. So first I just gave Eclipse. Then some version I'll give a Kepler or Neon or what is the version. So Kepler download. Then I went to the first URL here. Here I can see all the different packages here. So if I want Neon, I can click on the Neon or which one. I want Kepler as of now. So in that ID for Java developers, Eclipse ID for Java developers. Then you have to click here 32-bit or 64-bit, whether this is a Windows or Mac or Linux, which one. So mine is 64-bit. So I'll click on the 64-bit Windows. Then I'll come here. Then I'll get this option, download. So once you download it, you will get this a zip file. Right click on the zip file, extract here. Okay, when you click on it, you will get a folder called Eclipse. Go to that. Here you have to double click on this Eclipse. Okay, once you click on it, you will get a workspace launcher like this. Okay, so you'll get a workspace launcher. So here usually will be there in C drive. So you have to change it to your location. So right now, go to browse. I'll go to the D drive. Then I'll go to my others. Then I'll create here a new folder. So for example, recap Eclipse. Just give some workspace name. Okay. Then I click on enter. Then I got this. Then I'll click on OK. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to click on OK here. So once I click on it, OK. So what will happen if I come to my original place, the D drive, others, recap, Eclipse. That's what I created now. So here, once I click on OK, what will happen? For me, some temporary files will start to load. So that is first workspace I am creating. The next one I'm going to create the project. So now I got this workspace launcher here. So then here what I'm going to do from my side, I don't want this welcome screen. So I'll make it bigger. Then after that, first what I need to do after workspace, project I need to create. So for that, go to file, go to new project. Then you have to select Java project here because we are going to work on Java. So Java project. So go to the Java folder. Here you can see Java project. Click on next. Then it will ask me to give the project name. So I'll give the project name as actually what my project. Okay. So that's what I gave. So my project. Then after that here environment, I need to select as 1.7 or 1.8. So mine is 1.7. I'll select. Then I'm going to click on finish. Now it will create me a project called my project. Then it will ask me that I can change the view. So only for the first instance, when the first project in this, it will ask. Click on yes. Then here you can see a Java section will come. Then I don't want these things. These unwanted files I'm closing. So I created it. Okay. So we created this part. So then if I come here, I created my project here. So inside that, I'll have a source folder and then a bin folder. Clear? So right now, first I did the workspace. I created the project. Then I'm creating the package here. Okay, so to create a package, right click on the source folder, go to new package. Then after that, I'll just give the package name as actually what? Java learning. So it's showing me discourage name. Why? Because it should start with a lowercase letter. Always package name should start with lowercase letter. I give small j. Then I'll click on finish. Then after the package, next is I need to create the class file or the Java file. So right click on the package, new class. Click on that. Then I need to create it. So I'll just give understand Java. So now also again throws me an error for the class because class levels always should start with uppercase letter. So capital U. Then I'll make it as default. Then I'll click on main function. So these are the two things we're going to do. So select as default, click on the main function, click on finish. Got it? So we got it over here. So if I want to increase the font size, go to window, preferences, type font, select colors and fonts, go to the basic folder, then text font, click on edit. Then you can select 14, click on OK, click on OK. Increase the font size. Clear? This is what we have done. Getting anyone has any questions on this? Okay. So anyone has any questions on this? Sure, Prajna. I'll let you know that what is the system.println. So still now, anyone has any questions on this? Okay, cool. Sure. So I'll ask from everyone from your side to make sure you have understood it properly because you guys have an assignment on this. So now just I want to print some information. So if you want to print something, you have to type yes, Y, yes, O. Okay, then press Control space. Okay, then give any information in double quotes. I'll just give hello world. So what is that system.out.println is going to do means? Okay, so from my side, I want to print some statement here. So any information that is inside this one that will be printed. So that's what here it's going to do. System.out.println. System.out.println is used for to print the information that is present here. So now I want to run this program means how to run the program? Right click, run as Java application. See, hello world. Getting? So right click, run as Java application you need to select. Okay, then it will give me the hello world that input. So it's used to print the values. Same thing if I give yes, Y, yes, O, control space button. Then after that, if I give good day, right click, run as Java application, good day. Clear? So any information that you want to execute, it should be there inside this main function only you can write it. You cannot write anything outside here. See, from my side, I'll have here, yes, Y, yes, O, control space. I will not get anything. Okay, it will throw me an error here. So same thing if I try to copy from here and then if I paste it, it will throw me an error. Can you see it throws me an error here? Syntax error. Okay, so you have to execute anything. Those codes should be present inside the main function only. Okay. What in case I forgot to have the main function? Right click, new class. Now I'll just give basic program. I selected here it as default, but I forgot to select this checkbox here, public static void main. Then I'll click on finish. Now, if you see, I'll not have the main function here. Can you see? I don't have the main function. So if I want to get the main function, for that there is a shortcut. Type MAIN. Then give control space. You'll get the main method. Enter. That's it. Okay, what is the shortcut for that is MAIN control plus space button plus enter button. That's it. This is the shortcut to get the main function. Same thing for system.println. SYSO control plus space button. SYSO and then hello world. Clear for everyone? Anyone has any questions? Okay, cool. So still now, anyone has any question? Any questions, guys? Okay. So now I'll ask from you guys actually how you have understood it. Just a second, please. Okay, guys. So now first, hey Harika, can you tell me how I can download Java at JDK? First, tell me how to download the JDK. What I need to Google?
JDK.
Here I have mentioned also. You can see this.
JDK download.
Yes, I need to just.
Already done actually.
Sorry.
I have done it actually in mine.
Yeah, that's okay. Actually, I just want to know that actually how you guys have understood it. That's the only thing.
Okay.
Okay, JDK download. Then go to the first URL. Then what you need to do? After that.
That JDK Java download button.
Yes, this
click on that
icon.
Java JDK button.
Yes, here.
As per the Windows, OS and everything, and accept the license agreement and download.
Correct. Accept this and then check whether it uses 64-bit or 86, 32-bit. Okay, 86 represents 32-bit. So how you can confirm that actually whether it uses of which version?
In command prompt, type Java
No.
version.
That is, will give you the Java is already present in system or not. So if you want to know the your system property, go to the My Computer, right click properties.
I'm asking about the system 64 or whether.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, I got it.
64. So go to My Computer, right click properties. So now on is minus 64-bit. So I came here. So I'll need to click on this. So once I download this, just click on the exe file, double click, next. That will install the JDK.
Yep.
Yes, correct. So once the JDK is installed, what are the things we will get? Where I need to confirm?
Program files.
Yes. In the C drive, program files, Java.
We'll get JDK and Java.
Yes, correct. JDK is installed, you will get the complete set JRE plus JDK.
Yeah.
Then how I can confirm my version of the JDK, which is JRE is downloaded, JDK and JRE, Java version.
It's present there, but we also can do in this command prompt.
Correct. Java space hyphen version. Correct. Hey, thanks, Super Barika. Thank you. Hey, Navanti, can you tell me? So now JDK actually, once it's been downloaded, we need to set the path. Okay. So, Navanti, you're there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, sure. So we need to set the path. So for that, what we need to do? So I'll show you.
Actually, your voice is not clear to me, Murli.
Oh,
That's
sorry.
why the
Sorry.
problem.
Okay. Now it's clear, or wanna try tomorrow?
Yeah, from the past 5 minutes, it's clear.
Oh, is it? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, no worries, no worries. We'll ask someone else. Hey, Prajna. Prajna,
Hi.
you're there? Hey, hi, Prajna. Can you tell me right now? So, from my side, I need to set the path. So,
Okay.
for that, what I need to do? So, here, just a second, just a second, just a second, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, guys. Okay, so now we have got this. So, now from my side, I need to set the path of the JDK. So, for that, what I need to do?
We have to go to environment variable, then we have to go to path and edit it, and then we
Superb.
have to configure folder.
So go to the My Computer, right click, Properties. Then what I need to do?
We have to go to advanced setting.
Superb.
Yeah.
Then
Environment variable.
yes, Advanced tab, Environment Variables.
Then we have to go to path.
Correct.
Then
Go for path. Yes.
edit.
Click on Edit.
Yeah. Then we have to give one semicolon, and that Java bin folder we have to give the path.
Correct. Go to the Java. Then in that, which folder I need to go?
JDK.
JDK.
Bin.
Yes. Go inside
And
the.
there we have to take the path and paste it.
Correct. Copy that and then come here. After that, just paste it over here like this. Then click on OK, OK, OK. That's it. Okay. Yes. Correct. So then after that, what I need to do? I need to close this. Just a second. I need to close that and then open a new command prompt, cmd. Then here you type java space -version. That will tell you that actually what the initialization has been done properly. That's it. Okay, cool. Hey, thanks, Bajana. So next, so we have seen about here how to download and install the JDK. Then next one. So from my side, how to install the Eclipse. So for that, hey Praveen, can you tell me you're there? Hi Praveen. Hello. Hey Praveen, you're there? Okay.
Yeah, there are two Pravins, right? Which
Yeah. Okay, Praveen Reddy, you can tell.
one? Okay.
Can you tell, Praveen, right now?
Yeah.
I want to
yes,
install the Eclipse.
So Eclipse Kepler.
Yes, some version name if you give, you can go to the direct version place. So I'll go here, just give Eclipse Kepler download, enter. Then,
Yeah, the first link.
yes.
So I downloaded the Neon one, but we can download anything
Super.
about
Anything.
Juno.
That is, I want anything after Kepler or something, anything you can download. I don't want the old ones to be downloaded. That's the only thing.
And then Eclipse for ID for Java EE developer.
Yes. Yeah.
And then based on the 64 or 32-bit, we can select that appropriate link.
Super. Then after that, click on the download here.
Download, yeah.
So then you will be getting here.
Yeah, so a RAR file will be downloaded, and then we need to open that RAR file, and
Right
we
click,
have
extract here.
extract here, and we have icon for Eclipse inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then
So double
click. Yes, correct. So first, what we need to do once we get that capital.
We need to create a workspace.
Yes, usually it'll be there in C drive. So it's the bad practice to have the code there. So to create the workspace, what do you need to do?
Change the path. We can select any other path apart from
Yes,
C drive.
browse, D drive I'll go. Then I'll go to some place, others. Then here I'll create new folder. Assign Java. Simply I'll just give assign Java. Then I'll click on
Okay.
OK. Yes. Then click on OK.
Click on OK.
Yes.
We can close this.
Correct. Then
So
first,
we need to create a project first.
Yes, we have to create a project. So for that, go to File.
New.
Yes.
Project. Java.
Yes.
Java. We have a Java. Yeah.
Java folder.
Either way. Yeah.
Just a second.
Click.
New project. Java project. Click on next. Yes.
Yeah. We can give any project name.
So I'll just give it as learning. Then
Okay. Yeah, you can select the GRE. We can leave it as default, or you can.
yes, you can select 1.7 or anything. Select the default GRE.
Yeah.
So my side I select 1.7 here, Java 7.7. Then click on finish.
Finish. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Hey, thanks, Ravi. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So then here what will happen? I need to click on yes. Once I click on yes, here Java extra section will be created. That's it. So we have created the project. Next we have to create the package and then Java file. So for that, hey Shivani, can you tell me what we need to do next? So
next we have to create package.
Yes, for that.
Right click on project name.
Yeah, before that, can you just tell me? So once we create the project, what are things we have in Eclipse and what are things we will have it in the original?
jar file.
Correct. GRE system library will be there. That consists of all the jar files.
All the jar files included here.
Correct. Then
next source folder.
Yes.
Whatever we have to create, it will be stored in a source folder.
Super. Correct. Then in the original folder section, what are things we'll have?
Hello, I'm getting background noise.
Just a second. Is it clear now?
Yeah, clear.
So in the original folder section, what things we will have?
In the bin and the source folder, we have the project name, project folder.
Correct. So source folders will have the Java files. Bin folder will have the class files.
Class files. Okay.
Yeah. So then right click on the source folder. Now what it is? We have created the project. Next we have to create the package. Yeah.
Package.
Right click on source folder.
Click on new.
Yes.
Go to package.
Yes.
Package names always start with the small letter.
Super, correct. So if you give capital letter, discourage name will come. So always should start with small letter.
Small letter.
Jan back. I'll just click. Yes, super.
Click on finish.
Yes. Then I created the package. Next is
we have to create Java file or class file.
Yeah.
Right click on package. Go to new.
Yeah.
Click on class.
Yes. Then here.
Always class name start with capital letter.
Super. If you start with small letter, discourage package name.
Okay.
Best file. I'll just give simply. Then I need to select default here. Then
After that, we will have to select public static void main.
super correct. In case I forgot the main function, then I clicked on finish.
Finish.
Yes. So we got this one. Okay.
Here we have to type main.
Correct. So before that, can you tell? Okay, I'll main.
Control space.
Super. Then enter.
Then enter.
Yeah. Superb. Thanks, Shravani. Thank you. So next, hey Shweta, you're there? Hello, hey Shweta.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
Shweta, can you just tell me how to increase the font size?
Go to Window,
Yes.
Preferences,
Super.
and search for font.
Yes.
Font
Colors and fonts. Then
basic.
yeah, come down.
Text
Text.
font. Yeah.
Yes, edit it. Then here, select 14
Select
or
the size.
15, which one you want. That's it. Okay. Yeah, good. Thank you. So now I created the Java file class file. So right now, if I come to the original folder location, so I want to go to the original folder location. So right click on the project. Here I'll just get properties. Then I'll copy the location of it. I'll come to this location. Enter. So here we have source folder and the bin folder. What these two things will consist of?
Hello.
Yeah. What the source folder will consist, what the bin folder will consist of.
Bin folder consists of class files.
Correct. It will have the
And,
class files.
Yes, a source folder consists of the Java files.
Okay. What is the difference between the Java file and the class file?
Class file only JVM can be can access the class file, whereas Java file, like the programmer or the developer can access the
Correct.
Java.
Anyone can open and then edit the files.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Okay. Class files are used only for execution purpose alone.
Okay.
Okay, good. Yeah. So now, hey, thanks, Shweta. Shri Asha, you're there?
Yes.
Hey, hi, Shri Asha. So I
Yeah, hi.
want to print an Hello World program. I want to print an Hello World program.
Okay. We have to use that system.out.println.
So-
Yes. Oh,
What is the shortcut?
SOSY.
SYSO.
Yeah, SYSO and control space. And we have to use that in main this thing.
Super, correct. So if I try to use it here, I cannot get anything. That's
Yeah.
it. Yes, awesome. Super. Always any program that should be written inside the main function.
Yeah. SYSO control double quotes.
Yes. Then hello, well, I'll just give. So how I can execute the program?
Right click and run as Java application.
Correct. Java application. Yes. So if I don't have the main function, I'll say now when I right click run as, can you see I will not get Java application. Main function is an executable function. Only if you have the main function, then only you can execute your program. Otherwise you cannot execute your program. So that's why main function is so important here. See, now I have the main function. Now when I right click run as, can you see Java application I'll get. Getting?
Okay.
That's it. So anyone has any questions so far what we are saying for today? Any questions, guys? Hey, thanks, Yasha. Okay, so that's it for today. So just an installation part is what we are seeing. So from actually tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have class because tomorrow is Republic Day, so some of them may not be there. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow will not be there the class. So the next class will be on Monday. Okay, guys. So Monday morning 7 o'clock we'll have the next class. So that is actually what 30th we'll have the class. So from 30th onwards we'll go and actually start with what is the variables, and then after that what is the difference between a global local variable. So according to our session topics, what things we have now. So we'll go in a full-fledged. Okay. Any questions for today, guys?
Hi Murli.
Yeah.
That while
Yes, ma'am.
defining a class, we are using public static void main. So,
Yes.
are you going to explain in future classes in detail about all those words,
Yes.
terminology?
Yes. Why I am not explaining right now means because if I explain right now, so what are the easiest thing you learned it right now, you will feel that actually what difficult. So
Okay.
once you will be in a position that actually what to understand each and everything. So it's not that much classes. There are another 3 to 4 classes you will be learning all those things.
Okay, fine.
In another 3rd class, you will be very much sure. That is, on Monday you will understand. Monday, Tuesday, you will understand what is the static, and then what is this public. You will be learning a little bit later. That is access modifier. So static and then this void. Those things you'll learn in another 2 to 3 classes. Okay. It's so easiest concept, but right now, if I say over there, because you are just now you started it, no? So you will feel actually what little bit, what you will feel that you're learning more. That's why actually what I'll be taking everything in a proper phase that I thought you will understand in a very detailed manner. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, guys. So again, we'll meet up on Monday on 30th. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye. Thank you.